Stuck at 0 subscribers? Posting videos but nothing happens? You're doing the right things, but your channel is a ghost town. What if I told you that getting your first 1,000 subscribers has nothing to do with luck and everything to do with a repeatable step-by-step system? Stick around, because in this video, I'm giving you the exact blueprint I used to hit 1,000 subscribers in just 30 days. Let's go! Before we get into tactics, we need to kill a deadly mindset. Your channel is not a passion project. It's a solution to a specific problem for a specific group of people. For the next 30 days, you're not a creator. You're a problem solver. Your only job is to find a hungry audience and feed them exactly what they want. That's it. You have heard niche down, but most people do it wrong. The sweet spot is a problem-based niche. You need to find the intersection of 3 things. First, what's a skill you have? Can you edit video, cook pasta, organize a closet? Second, is there an audience searching for this? We will check that in a second. Third, can you create content that solves their problem? How to edit fast, 5-minute creamy pasta, closet organization on a budget. That intersection is your gold mine. Forget viral hits. For your first 1,000, search is your best friend. You need a 3-part stack for every video. First, the keyword. Use a free browser extension. Find a keyword with decent traffic but low competition. Second, the title. Paste that keyword right at the start, then add a hook. Third, the description. First line. Paste your video URL and keyword. Then write a mini blog post about the video using your keyword 2 to 3 more times. This tells YouTube exactly what your video is about. You have 3 seconds to stop a scroll. Your hook isn't an introduction, it's a promise. You need to give a piece of the solution immediately. Here's the formula. 1. Agitate the problem. Does your voice sound shaky on work calls? 2. Promise the solution. In 60 seconds, I will show you the vocal trick broadcasters use. 3. Prove it. Demonstrate the before and after right there in the hook. You have just given them a value, so they have to keep watching. Begging for subscribers doesn't work. The best time to ask is right after you have delivered a massive piece of value. You solved one problem, then you tease the solution to their next problem. If you want to see how I replace my own brakes and save another $300, hit subscribe because I'm posting that next week. You're not begging, you're inviting them to get more value. The system is useless without execution. Here's a simple plan. Weeks 1 and 2, focus on search. Release 3 videos per week using the SEO stack we talked about. Weeks 3 and 4, add 1 more video per week, but this time, make it a video that can be suggested next to your first videos. This creates a web of content that feeds itself. Let's recap fast. 1. Niche down to a problem. 2. Use the SEO stack for every video. 3. Hook them by giving value first. 4. Trap them with a strategic CTA. This is not a theory, this is a blueprint. Your first 1,000 subscribers are waiting. They are just waiting for you to give them the right solution. Now, go build something and I will see you in the next one.